Wonder what an iron remover smells like. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me on another episode. So today I want to talk about a product that quite a few of you guys have actually reached out to me with regards to when is the best time to use it, when you should use it, what is the reason for using it. And so I figured, you know what, let me bring out a few of the iron removers that I have. So let me mine out the way here. As you guys can see, I got quite a few here, and I mean, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many other amazing products out there, but I've got a few here. The one is from Gyeon, it's the iron fallout remover. Then there's the one from Nurta Glassworks, which is actually a very, very strong one. I'm actually out of that. No, I'm not out of stock. I've ran out of product, so I need to go buy more. There's Liquid Moly, their rum cleaner, but it's actually also an iron remover. And then I've got the one from Karcher, which is also a rim cleaner, but it's also an iron remover as well. So I started off the video by saying how this product smells, and I used this product. So this is not an indictment on the G Technique. They all have this horrible rotten egg smell. It's just the makeup of the product when it comes in contact with loose ferrous metals, or just iron fallout. It will oxidize and it will turn red. It will have the bleeding effect. So they're all really just they smell rotten. It is not. I'm waiting for the day when the smell can be masked off like completely. I doubt that'll be able to happen, but if there is a product out there, let me know. I just haven't come in contact with a product or an iron remover that has that horrible smell. If I'm not mistaken, I think Valley Pro actually had, or they still have it, which is called Dragon's Breath. And they put on there that they would imagine that a dragon's breath smells like this rotten egg smell, but it was also very strong. I know we don't have it in South Africa anymore as far as I know, but I used it and it is a very strong product, or it really oxidizes and really gets rid of any loose ferrous metals that's on your rims and on the body. For the most part, these products are all pH neutral, and they actually have the products inside here. There's a lot of surfactants put together that make it an intelligent product, so it doesn't really need to either be acidic or alkaline based for it to be strong enough. These products are not cheap when you compare it to like a general rim cleaner. They are a lot more expensive, and for your normal wheel cleaning, a wheel or rim cleaner will suffice. Or if you're going to use an APC, obviously dilute it to the dilution ratios as given by the manufacturer to clean your wheels. But let's say you want to deep clean your wheels, and you really just want to, you see that there's you'll see that there's dark spots that's on either the wheels or the body of the car. That most of the time is actual tar or just your general metal fallout that's actually just bonded to the surface of the wheels or the body of the car, and it's made itself visible. Now, this, as I mentioned, you don't need to use this every single time when you clean your wheels or when you're busy cleaning your car. But if you do suspect that there is stuff on there that after you've done your contact wash, it's still there, this is a good product to use then. Also, if you have a ceramic coating, you can't polish after you've applied the coating. You can't want to polish the car to get rid of whatever's on the surface. Again, this is where a product like this comes in handy. When you do your deep clean, you're gonna wash your car, and then when you're done, you will then spray this on to remove any of the embedded dirt that's on the coating itself. Let it do its thing, rinse it off, and then you should see your coating, come back to life again. Now, as you guys can see, this wheel is extremely filthy, and I figured I probably use this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just spray on this side over here. I'm going to leave that side, and I'll only spray this, and you guys will see the bleeding effect. I'll just do I'll speed up the process. You can actually see the bleeding taking place, and then we'll rinse it off, and then you'll actually see how good this product works. That's number one. Number two, when you do spray on an iron remover, one of the characteristics is that this thing foams up very, very well. I've yet to come in contact with an iron remover that doesn't foam up a lot. And so that's actually a good thing, because when you spray it on, you don't want to leave it to harden or for it to dry on the surface of the car, and for good reason, especially like in a white car like this or a light colored car. After the bleeding effect, you don't want to have any contaminations or any imprint, meaning you need to polish or you need to go an aggressive route to actually remove the damage that it's done to the body of the car or to the rim, because you didn't rinse it off soon enough. Number two, when it foams up, that's telling you that there's product on the surface. So you should rinse it off up until you can see there's no more foaming taking place. So that will tell you that you've rinsed away most, if not all, of this product. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into this quick demo, and then we'll take it from there. Quite hot, and I don't want it to dry on here on the rim, so I'm going to clean it off, and as you can see, it is extremely red. So what we'll do is I'll spray on another round just here again, just to see how much loose metal is still on the surface. Let me use another one. I'll use the product from Nurta. So as you guys can see, it's still doing the bleeding effect, but it's not as pronounced or as heavy as it was on the initial round. So that tells me that most of it has been removed. I think and I need to rinse it off as it's starting to dry up here. Let me just quickly do that. So as you guys can see, it actually cleaned off quite a bit of dirt. I mean, if I say it would have maybe done about close to 90%. Still a little bit of dirt here and there, but nothing major. So it really does a good job of deep cleaning your wheels. If you're able to use an iron remover with every single wash, that's fine. I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. I'm saying that it is a lot more expensive than a conventional rim and tire cleaner or just a mag wheel cleaner. So using a mag wheel cleaner to do your normal maintenance, and then periodically, let's say every second, third month, when you want to do a deep cleanse, then that's when a fallout or an iron remover will definitely come in handy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know in the comment section below which of these or which iron remover in general is your favorite fallout remover to use when you are performing such a task, or if you're detailing a car, if you just want to do like a deep cleanse on a coated car. I'd really love to hear from you guys. And as always, to you and your loved ones, please stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.